Greeting. This is Mark Brown. Welcome to Mastering Basic of Excel Part 2. In Part 1, we actually look how we open the spreadsheet, how to save it and all of that. But here in Part 2, we're going to be learning how we can actually type in it, right? How to type in a spreadsheet. Definitely, we're going to look exactly how we're going to type it, right? How to center a word and number in a spreadsheet. Merge and center heading. Highlight rows and columns. Resize the column. Very critical. This is exactly what we're going to be doing in part 2. And insert a photo in a spreadsheet, because a lot of person don't know that they can actually insert photo in spreadsheet. So I'm going to guide you through this particular. And if you watch this to the end, definitely you'll learn a lot. Very important right here. Right? So first thing that we wanted to do, we want to actually open back our spreadsheet right here. We're going to right click on it and open it. Right, so we're going to look at how we can actually type in the spreadsheet. Very important. Right here, if you notice, the little box means that you can actually type in the spreadsheet. Right here. All right, so let me shift this come up some more. All right, let's go back so that I can actually type in the spreadsheet. So I can actually put something in the spreadsheet like external class. Let me correct that. Just like that, I can press the down arrow. And I can actually put something else. Just like that, I can go across. I can enter some number, go across to the same thing, enter some number, just like that. You can come here, also the next number, click the arrow to your right, to your left, put it, click to your left again, press it down one, put in one, just the same, go to the right, to put in, to the right, to put in, you can also come back to the left. All right, you're gonna write your merge. Good, and that's how you actually write it here. So that's exactly how you actually type it in it. But if you notice, when I type the word, it go to your left. When I type the number, it actually go to your right. So very important right here. I'll look at it. So now we actually complete that. Now we want to look at the next step. The next step is how to center the word and the number. Yes, how to center the word and the number. That's what we're going to be looking at. So we're going to center the word and the number. All right, what we can actually do, we can actually click right here, just like that, and we can come right here and the word center. You notice it's actually center just like that, but I can actually do it another way, right? I can actually block everything like that, and just come like this, and everybody center, just like that. Right, so very important. That's exactly how you center the numbers and letter, just like that. So what we have here next, now if you notice, it's a merge and center the edit. So we're going to look and see how we can merge and center the edit. All right, so if you notice, this itself is the edit. So you want to click like that. So you want to put the cursor along the left side of the touchpad or the mouse. If you're using a desktop, along the side, let's try it. Okay, it over to D. So when you do that, if you notice right up at the top right here, it's align. So it's a merge and center right here. So you want to click here. It's a merge and center. Notice a merge across. If I click merge and center, you notice right here, which means that 1, 2, 3, 4 cell actually merge in one. Very important. Actually merge in one right there. So that's exactly how you actually do that. They say auto highlight rows and column. All right, so we're going to highlight the rows and the column. All right, if you notice, you come like this right here. Notice the cursor change. You click like that. Notice it's highlight the whole entire row. You can come right up here. And notice, you can give it a nice little shading. Or you can come right here. Also do a different one, just like that. We're going to use this one right here, up here. Right, so we're going to give it that way. Notice, then we're going to highlight the column. Now we can come right here, just like that. We're going to give it a color just like this one right here. Give it that one. Good. So this is how we actually highlight the row and column right here. Right, it's very important. You want to resize the column and the row. Right, resize the column and the row. So what you wanted to do that, right? If you notice right here, notice now put the cursor right here, notice what become. Alright, so I can put the cursor right there, hold on the side of the mouse, touchpad and drag it to my right. You notice I drag to the right to get right wider. If I come like this again, and I do that, you notice to get wider. Very important. I'm going to put some figure in right in here, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like right here when I do that. Alright, so I'm going to put some number like this. Notice the number gone all the way over here. So if I click over here, if I click underneath here, notice this is how tax look like it over there. So I want to come right here and try it out like that. Notice everybody actually inside there, right? But if you notice, you come right here, so the row now, come right here, so you can count the row or you can carry down the row just like that. You notice? And item get big, you can put the cursor right here alongside and carry it up, adjust it just the same. Very important right there. So you just resize the row and column, we're going to insert the photo in the sheet. Very, very critical. This is where a lot of person don't know that you can actually do. But what you wanted to do, you're going to come right up here, that click and click on the data tab, right? So when you click right there on the data tab, no, not the data tab, the formulas tab, right here, because it's actually changed. So when you click on the page layout tab, you're going to come right to your background. You click on the background, you're going to come right here. You're going to click right there, and there you go. You can actually come here to your PC. Just you're going to come click on the desktop right here. We're going to click right here, and then we're going to click on it open. So we want a photo, so we're going to scroll up right here, and then we're going to click on open again. All right, so we're going to select this photo. We're going to click, and we're going to insert, and there you go. You notice the photo right over here in it. So if you want to get rid of your photo, you're going to come right back here and click and delete. Just the same. You want it again, you click again and click on root file. When you click on file, you can actually put anyone I want right here and click on insert. So this is where you actually insert the photo definitely right here in this spreadsheet. So if you have learned something from this video, just remember, write a comment and all this video actually help you. Thanks for your time. See you in part 3.